Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, now we will continue our the same topic SCF and LCM of expression exercise 6.1. In our previous video we have discussed about the SCF, and now in second part we will do LCM of 102xy square z, 85x square yz, 187xyz square. Dear student, we are going to find the LCM. So first of all we will take the factors of 102 x y square z, which are 2 into 3 into 17 x into y y z. 85 x square y z is the 5 into 17 x x y z. And here we will write 187 x y z square. So it will becomes x 11 into z, 11 into y into x into y into z into z. So the common factors are 17 x y z, and non-common factors are 2 3 5 11 x, this y and this z. Dear student, you know that LCM is a combination or multiplication, means we can say that LCM is a product of common factors and the non-common factors. So common factors are 17 xyz and the non-common factors are 330 xyz. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 11s are 330 xyz. So we will take the product of LCM, means common and the non-common factors. For LCM, so 17 multiplied by 333 is equals to 5610 x square, y square and z square. Now question number 5, find LCM by factorization. These are the terms are given, and now we have the expressions. 2x4 minus y4, and second expression is 3 x cube plus 2x square y minus xy square minus 2y cube. First of all we will take first expression, which is 2 into x4 minus y4. You can see that this is the formula. X square, this is a product of x square plus y square into x square minus y square. And now we will write 3 into x cube plus 2x square y minus xy square minus 2y cube. So we will first write 3 as it is, and then we will take x square common from first two values and y square common from last two values. Now we will get 3 into x square into x plus 2y minus y square x plus 2y. You can see x plus 2y are the common, so we can say that this is equals to the product of 3 x plus 2y and x square minus y square. Now we will find the common and uncommon non-common factors. Common factors are x square minus y square in both factors. Okay, so common factors are 2 into common factors are 2 common factors only are x square minus y square, and non-common factors are 2 into 3 x square plus y square into x plus 2y. So we will take the LCM by finding the product of these common and non-common factors. This will becomes 2 3 is 6 x, because this will becomes 2x4 minus y4 into x plus 2y. X square minus y square into x square plus y square equals to x4 minus y4. So part number 4 is 4 into x4 minus 1, and 6 is into x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Dear students, we will write first expression. 2 is the product of 2 into 4 is the product of 2 into 2. So this is the product of x square plus 1 and x square minus 1. Now we will take the second expression, 6x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. 6 will becomes 2 into 3, and take x square as common from first two values and minus 1 as common from last two values. We will get the expression 2 into 3 into x square into x minus 1 x minus 1. So 2 3s are 6, and it will becomes x minus 1 and x square minus 1. Dear student, here I have dotted line and I have circled the common factors between these two expressions. This is 2 is the common, so write common factor as 2, and x square minus 1 and x square minus 1 both are common, so write these two factors as a common factor. And now we will take the non-common factor, which is 2 into 3 and after that the expression is x square plus 1 and x minus 1. These are the non-common. So take LCM by the product of common and non-common. 2 to the 4, 4 is a 12. X square minus 1, x square plus 1 will become x4 minus 1 and x square minus 1 as it is. Now we will move to question number 6. For what value of k is x plus 4? The HCF x square minus plus x minus 2k plus 2 and 2x square plus kx minus 12. Dear student, here are two expressions are given. First of all, we will suppose that let p of x, this is the first polynomial or first expression p of x, and this is the second polynomial q of x. According to question, that what is the value of k if x plus 4 is the HCF, means x plus 4 is the HCF of p and px and qx. Dear student, you know that HCF means is the factor, and factor is the only value which remains the remainder 0, means that they will exactly divide the expression. So p minus 4 means we will put the value of x which is equals to minus 4 in any equation. You can put in any polynomial. I have preferred to put this value in the p of x. So we will take p minus 4 equals to minus 4, means put the value of x minus 4 minus 4 square minus 4 minus 2k minus 2. Dear students, since this is the factor, so we will take the remainder as 0. This is remainder. Theorem remainder is 0. Minus 4 square 16 minus 4 minus 2k minus 2. From this we will find the value of k, which is equals to 5. Question number 8, the last question of this exercise. The LCM and HCF of p of x and q of x are 2x raised to power 4 minus 1 and x plus 1 into x square plus 1 respectively. Respectively means the first value is for the LCM and the second value is for the HCF, and the first polynomial is given here, and find the second polynomial. Here, dear student, first of all we will write the data of the question. Polynomial p of x is equals to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and LCM is given 2x raised to power 4 minus 1 and HCF is x plus 1 and x square plus 1. We will find the q of x. Dear student, first of all, you know the rule that the product of two polynomials equals to the product of their LCM and HCF. This is the rule. Okay, from this we will derive the value of qx. We will divide the equation by p of x on both sides, and now we will put the values of LCM, HCF and the p of x here. And now in this next step we will factorize this expression by taking x square as common from first two values and x1 as common from last two values. So we will get 2 into x raised to power 4 minus 1 into x plus 1 x square plus 1 divided by x plus 1 and x square plus 1. X plus 1 and x square plus 1 will be cancelled with the numerator values, and we have just 2 into x4 minus 1, and this is the second polynomial. Dear student, this is the end of exercise 6.1. I hope so that you have enjoyed and you have got the clear concept. Take care yourself. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.